Hey YouTubers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. Today we're talking about the electrical system inside your house. And in the event that you are in the process of changing your outlet receptacles or light switches, whether it is for a different style, different color, or the switch or outlet just stopped working. Before you start the project, you want to buy the tools that are going to save your life. Whether it is an outlet receptacle, this is an outlet tester. Make sure you purchase one of these. If it's a light switch, you want to make sure you buy this tool. So in this video, we're going to walk you through what each of these tools do and how they're going to save your life. Let's take a look.
First, we'll show you the standard outlet tester. And the thing I like about this one is the lower portion says correct, and the additional 5 will indicate 5 possible errors that one can make during the installation of an actual outlet receptacle. So this is an awesome tool on the left side. You can see in this photo, you can use this audible tester to test an outlet. However, again, it will not indicate any of those 5 errors that could occur. Next, grab the electrical tester. You can purchase these from your local home improvement store. And just by plugging it in, you can see at the very bottom the correct sequence is the middle light illuminated as well as the far right light illuminated. And the top outlet, same thing. So again, this receptacle still has power being provided to it and is unsafe to work on. Now we will demonstrate the audible tester. 2 things we're going to show you. Number 1, we are going to show you what this tool does when power is not supplied to the light switch. And the second thing, which is most important, we are going to demonstrate what this tool does in the event that power is still being supplied to that light switch. And this tool is a must when replacing light switches. And the switch that we are working on is on circuit breaker number 10, as you can see here. We will shift this to the off position. Back of the light switch, take your electrical tester, turn it on, the green light comes on, and start touching all the actual wires, common, traveler wires, all the screws, opposite side, and continue touching all the wires inside the box and verify that all the electrical power is cut. Now in the event that power is still being provided to this electrical box and the switches, that green light's going to start blinking and turn red. So let's go turn the power on and I'll show you exactly what happens. Turn the electrical tester on, light comes on and turns green. In the event that power is still at this switch, here's what will happen. You want to touch it on the common, blinking red, up to the traveler wire, and then the additional travel wire. This switch is not safe to work on.
That's it. I hope the video helped. Hey, do us a huge favor. Below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notifications, because once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. Thanks again.